That's a good fish.
One to the wreck.
He's a better one, isn't he?
Got someone's gear here.
I don't know how you're marking these things, I don't know that.
Someone's
Just a little one to start with.
what's your name, man?
Happy days!
And you, boy.
There you go, and here. Alan's 4 on, come on, come on. Al's got a tag on his tackle over here.
Or is he off?
That's a nice one, isn't he?
You're not bad.
Yeah, Mark, you guys.
Yep.
Nothing to this.
Oh, it's like taking candy out of a baby, isn't it?
Nothing to this. Well, I'm looking in the right place.
That's a fucking lunker.
There's orange line over here, so let some line off.
We've got orange fluoro.
Tide's picking up now. Smile, Dylan. You're on candid camera. Yes, sir, on the day left.
Oh, I can put my strike one on.
I told you. Yeah. So advertising. The fish has got slower, he's catching fish now. Fish on. Whoosh. Come on, boys, concentrate then. Over there. He does the work. We laugh, we do laugh. It's a lovely chat. We do laugh. Come on,
Martin. I'm just a slut.
Do you want lucky dip soup or lemon gay tea?
No, I'm just asking what they want.
They got the menu then. You haven't given them the menu then.
No, I haven't given the menu this time.
Oh, the pollock will be it.
That's on one of yours, Alan.
Yeah.
That's off down there.
Was that pollock?
Yeah, but then a second. Oh, even Mr. Martin's got one.
Yeah, got one here. Yeah.
Just turn the
I'll save you a drink for you, Phil. Save it. On the end, didn't he? Shot.
Get really close. Lovely one.
Okay, you go back down, Cole.
No. Don't be silly.
Right over the wreck, guys.
You stick them up on the friggin' seat.
Start
Right, up on the end of that, will you? Yeah. You might want to get in there and have those seats.
Thank you very much. I'm done. Hey? Oh, sorry. Hang on.
Thanks for telling me that now before I popped it.
Out. Hold it nice, like I showed you. Put his mate straight up.
Why we go 5 turns and we free your way in there. Go 5 turns, it's easy to clear it.
Fuck now.
Corner, foul, high, there is a jump. Oh, fish on. Oh, we missed that one.
Come on, Ling, where are you?
Nice pass. Got it, yeah. Alan?
Yeah, got it.
Oh, on the blue and white.
Line them up, yeah?
Seems to have given up the...
Well, nice big Ling, that's it.
Well, he was struggling just now.
Quite low now. Grab the lead now, don't forget what you're doing. Something else is lying there. Grab the lead. There you go, that's what we wanted.
Okay.
Whoa!
Well done.
Oh, fucking no shit. Oh, I bet it's a bloody conger.
You try and grab the bugger.
Yeah, right,
No, this way.
This way.
You got one to go, Phil? I'll buy a picture.
Oh, I'll pick that one. Oh, where we got that bloody link twice from?
Got it before. I've got other pictures. That's a nice one.
Oh, you're so good at it. You're so photogenic. You should be a model.
I am. I'm charging. An Airfix one.
Hang on.
I think more Thunderbirds.
Hang on, I've got a couple of spots.
Yeah, he was the model for action.
I'm going to pound it on the way up. You ready?
Yeah.
They painted the scar on.
in and we got to spread it
Top
out.
skipper. Thank you very much.
Oh, clap your hands.